issue this in China.
Probably.
Just.
Okay.
Was that on video?
Delete that one.
But I think rounding's fine. Oh no.
What do you might need a little more sauce.
Yeah.
Is that water?
Yeah. I gotta slap the sides.
You should use one of those spoons. Just use a spoon.
Alright, we're good. Gotta get the chocolate.
We'll put a bit more.
Are you sure? Dude, we already mixed it. It's fine.
Oh yeah. It's not that. Move it over this way too.
There's like a lot.
Good chef technique. Hey, use this, Leo. Don't watch you burning yourself.
It smells good already. What are your guys' thoughts on the food?
Hella good. It's very exquisite. Getting the guts from China. Only from deep. Pulling from downtown.
Oh sh! From China!
Oh, that's the two lines. Or no, that might be the shadow.
Dude,
watch
use
out. Use that though.
Where?
Use the towel. Use the towel. Use the towel.
Did you just grab it?
Yeah.
Flex. No, what are you doing, dude? Put all the layers of the towel.
It's fine. It's hard to.
Oh, that's good.
It's
Well,
good, it's good.
none of us know what good is.
How much do you?
Try to roll it. Just one spoon. Just add it.
To the corner.
Like this?